Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can deposit money on Webull through wire transfer. First thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and after that open up or log in into your Webull. So then you can initiate a wire transfer at your banks. So then there are different methods of initiating a wire transfer. You can either do it from the bank's counter. So before you initiate a wire transfer, you can find the recipient information within the Webull app or website. So basically what you need to do is, if you have linked an ACH bank account already, you can find the recipient details or information by tapping on transfer tab, and then you'll be able to find the recipient details. If you have already linked your ACH bank, tap the deposit button on the bottom of the page. Now tap on the remittance information and check all the recipient information. So tap on the text to copy the information so you can initiate a wire transfer within Webull app. After you've confirmed the recipient information, you'll need to head back to your bank's online platform to complete the wire transfer request. Choose eligible bank account. The beneficiary's owner of the bank account must be identical to the Webull account owner. Go to the selected bank or the bank's online platform, and unfortunately only US dollars are accepted. Therefore, make sure your bank account has enough US dollar. If you are using non-US dollar or bank account, you'll have to exchange to US dollar. For that, choose wire on your bank counter or on your online platform. Fill in the recipient information and complete the wire transfer application. You must provide your full name and the Webull account number in the description comment of wire transfer. Now submit the wire transfer request and wait for the refund statement. Make for the fund settlement, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully deposited money on Webull via wire transfer. In this way, you can deposit money on Webull. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.